right? Users and stakeholders needs. So there are various people who need the information about the activities of organization, right? And users of financial statements and accounting information. So the following people, which I will be telling you shortly, are likely to be interested in the financial information about a large company with shares that are listed uh, company on the organization, right? And right. So managers of the company, firstly, there can be a managers of the company. Managers of the company are the personnel appointed by the company's owners to supervise the day-to-day activities of the organization. They need the information about the company's financial statement as it is currently and as it is expected to be in the future. This is to enable them to manage the business efficiently and to make effective decisions, right? Then there is shareholders of the company. Shareholders of the company, that is the company's owners, want to assess how well its management is performing. They want to know how probable the profitable the company's operations are and how much profit they can afford to withdraw from the business for their own use. Then they have trade contacts, include suppliers who provide goods for the company on credit, and customers who purchase the goods or services provide the company by the company. Suppliers want to know about the company's ability to pay its debts. Customer needs to know that the company is a secure source of supply and is in no danger of having to close down. Providers of finance to the company might include a bank which allows the company to operate an overdraft or provides longer term finance by granting a loan. The bank wants to ensure that the company is able to keep up interest payments and eventually to repay the amounts advanced. Uh, the tax authorities wants to know about business profits in order to assess the tax payable by the company, including sale taxes. Then we have employees of the company. Employees of the company should have a right to information about the company's financial situation because their future, their careers, and the size of their wages and salaries depend on it. Then we have financial analysts and advisors who may be interested because they need information for the clients or the audience. For example, stockbrokers need information to advise investors. Credit agencies want information to advise potential suppliers of goods of the company. Journalists need information for reading public. Government and their agencies are interested in allocation of resources and therefore in activities of business entities. They also require information in order to provide a basis for national statistics. Right, and finally the public. The entities affect members of the public in a variety of ways. For example, they may make a substantial contribution to a local economy by providing employment, using local suppliers. Another important factor is effect of an entity on the environment, for example, as regards pollution, right? So, so far so good. See you in the next session.